Hello, this is Chris Roshna, 24K on Twitter. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments and, of course, thumbs up. This is the Mobile Edge battery. It's the Core Power USB battery with an amazing 26,800 milliamps of power. Has a high power USB-C port. It can charge 2 devices simultaneously. And what's really cool about this battery that I have not seen in others, dual QuickCharge 3.0 output. So that's incredible. It also has an LCD display. So we're going to go inside the box. Right here is the battery, 26,800 milliamps. Has the power button up here, both fast charging ports. So you can charge tablets with this, you can charge laptops with this, multiple smartphones. It's incredible. So the USB-C is for input and these are for output. Turn on the screen with one tap of the button. Shows you it's 5 volts, 3 amps, and it's at 72% with an amazing 26,800 milliamps. So that's the battery. And it is pretty hefty, which is good. You want a solid battery when you're doing all of that charging. Inside of the accessory box, you get a wall charger, also Mobile Edge. This has an output of 5 volts 3 amps, 9 volts 2 amps, and 12 volts 1.5 amps with a USB-A port and QuickCharge 3.0. And then you also get a USB Type-C to USB Type-A cable. That's for charging this battery right here and this port. So this is just for input. But what you get are 2 QuickCharge 3.0 output ports. This is the first time in any battery I've seen 2 dual output QuickCharge ports. And so that is the Mobile Edge Core Power battery with 26,800 milliamps. That is incredible, and also the first time I've ever seen dual QuickCharge 3.0 output ports. This is Chris Roshna, 24K on Twitter.